Welcome back to Culinary 101, back to the basics, episode 10. We're talking about how to cook and season a steak. This is a ribeye, 1.5 inch thick. Things that you need to know about cooking a steak. This needs to sit at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour so the inside can become the same temperature as the outside. If you try to cook this from straight up cold, the outside's gonna burn before the inside gets where you want it. Also, when you are seasoning things, you need to season from up high. Let it rain the snow like salt. You don't want to do it right here and concentrate all the flavor. So I'm going to take my kosher salt and I'm going to liberally apply it to my steak, all sides. Now my steak is salted. I'm gonna let this sit here for 30 to 45 minutes. That salt is gonna start to penetrate the fibers. It's gonna start to tenderize it a little bit. It's also gonna bring some of the moisture out. This salt is gonna help us get a great crust on this steak. So I'll come back in about 45 minutes. Something else to consider when you are getting ready to cook a steak, 30% of the salt and the seasoning that you put on comes off in the pan. I know it looks like a lot, but it's not. Trust me. Add a teaspoon of oil to your pan and lay your steak in once that oil starts to smoke. I like to flip my steak every 60 to 90 seconds, building a crust on both sides. Once it's cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes, add a good knob of butter, turn your heat down, and baste the steak for 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to rest for the same amount of time that it cooked. Our steak is rested. That's good.